This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, October 13th. I'm Michael Groff. Wish I could tell you that we're going to see any change in our weather, as in cooler temperatures or chances of rain, but just not going to happen over the next week or so. We're locked in a very stubborn pattern, just not going anywhere. Looking outside this morning, a very familiar sight, clear skies. And we're at 68 degrees, a very comfortable start to the day at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 34, relative humidity 28%. Winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning range from 50 degrees at Maricopa to around 70 in the urban core. And virtually cloudless skies on the satellite across Arizona. The watch warning map features quite a bit of action well to our north and west. High wind watches, wind advisories, gale warnings, storm warnings, all as a major system. A huge front and deep low pressure area moves into the Pacific Northwest today, but that is going to stay well to our north. Also some frost and freeze advisories from Kansas, Nebraska, Missouri, east into lower Michigan. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather are anticipated today, although there will be some thunderstorm activity possible in the southern plains. Tomorrow, small area of thunderstorm activity in the Arklatex over toward Memphis, but really no significant severe weather is expected anywhere. All right, taking a look at our forecast as we look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. Zonal flow. How often have we said that this week? Across the southern tier of the United States, little waves and disturbances will pass by from time to time, but otherwise, nothing significant headed our way. See another mostly sunny day around here. Could be a few high clouds this afternoon, but really not going to talk about anything other than slightly cooler temperatures today, getting into the low 90s. Maybe a little bit of an afternoon breeze. Tonight, another very comfortable night ahead. We'll have mostly clear skies, lows mainly in the 60s to around 70. Then tomorrow, temperatures start to rebound again, low to middle 90s. Saturday, another deep low approaching the Pacific Northwest. Look at all that rain from Northern California to the Pacific Northwest. Mountain snows as well. But around here, temperatures will actually warm. That's a baroclinic low, very, very deep low. Negative height anomalies in the Northeast Pacific, and downstream from that, that means temperatures are significantly warmer. For us, that means middle to possibly upper 90s. Certainly the deserts of Southern California and Southwest Arizona, some spots will be in excess of 100 degrees. And that goes true for Sunday as well. There's plenty of rain from Central California through the Intermountain West. Maybe a few breezes from time to time, but that's about it. Monday, more of the same. We'll shave a few degrees off of our high temperatures, but the sky will remain mostly sunny, just a few high clouds here and there. Highs lower to mid-90s. Another couple of degrees of cooling on Tuesday, upper 80s to low 90s, but overall the pattern does not change very much. On Wednesday, we start to see some ridging building in here across the southwest states, and that will mean temperatures could rebound back into the low to middle 90s. And this is a week from today, Thursday, October the 20th. Look at that heat dome building in across the western states. Wow, looks like a summertime ridge. 500 millibar heights exceeding 590 decameters. That means we will be way above normal. High temps in the mid-90s at least around here, and some of the deserts, again, will exceed 100 degrees. Friday, the 21st of October, features a major trough digging all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Could see some snow in the Great Lakes. And a good blast of fall air all the way down into Florida, possibly. But, boy, around here, just nothing changing. In fact, that's a big ridge over Southern California. Dry northwesterly flow, and again, we'll be in the 90s and dry. And this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, October the 22nd. Huge trough in the east. Could be some snow in the northeast U.S. Here, we're not thinking about snow. We're thinking about running through the sprinklers and staying in the swimming pool with highs definitely in the 90s, and some areas toward Death Valley, Imperial, El Centro, probably exceeding 100 degrees. Looking at temperatures off the European this time, and we'll see highs mainly in the 90s. That's well above normal. Lows will be near normal in the 60s as dry air allows us to be very comfortable at night, but no rain through the period. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes at you tomorrow morning. Really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. And you have yourself a great Thursday.